How to find private groups on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. You can view all your groups on Facebook from here. Here, tap on Discover at the top. Scroll down to explore and find a private group from the suggestions. Once you find a private group that you would like to join, tap on it to open. Then, tap on Join Group below. You have now successfully joined this private group on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily find private groups on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.